welcome back on my channel. Today we are still working with the Walmart data, it's sales data with weekly bucket, and we already checked the top 5 biggest sales for a particular week. And now I was thinking that maybe we can focus about the cost. So the cost, always in the cost there will be included the fuel cost, because it's this one of the biggest component. You can use air, you can use truck or container option for transportation, but there will be always included the price of fuel. And today we have my idea was to check top 5 unique week with the lowest price. So if somebody asks you, hey, in which weeks we have the lowest price, you can use this macro, because it will be checking unique value, not just check the same week and send you a message, hey, in this week and 5 the same weeks with the same price. It's not the case. Okay, let's start from as usual with variables. So the variables, we're starting with WS as a worksheet. The worksheet name is here. I put a comment, you can change it for your name, because I think maybe we are using for other macro. So sheet 1, because this data from Walmart was the same name like sheet 1, so I don't want to change anything here. Then we have 2 ranges which we will be comparing. So in B column we have date, weekly, and in F we have price range for this fuel. Then we're going to sort range, because what we'll be doing, it will be sorting ascending the price column, right? E, because we will have some loop further. Message box, because will be our output for this macro will be message box with the lowest price and the date from week. Unique date, because we'll make some dictionary, I call it dictionary, in which we'll putting unique value for week. And current row and current date to try to put it in the message box and try to create to adding to the collection, right? Let's start. We already spoke about which worksheet we're working. We're working with this workbook and sheet 1. Then you have 2 ranges, right? We will be working on mainly on 2 ranges. So first is price range, W range as usual, F column, and then we are going till the end. So and X and the row, like the same as control page down, to be sure that we're using all the rows from this column. The same story for data range, so but just we are changing this column, so B, and the same at the end and to till the row. Then we are sorting value. It will be sorting by this range, so sort range, WS range, and we are going for WS cells and F column. And then we are be sorting this sorting range. So sorting range, you can see here we created this one, and here we'll be sorting. So sort and key. So we are sorting by price, we are sorting by ascending, and we are sorting not header, because we're starting from second row, right? If there is you want to start with first one, please put header as yes. Okay, so we already know that we will be checking 2 columns and then sort by price, and then we are going to create the unique dates, so as our dictionary, for which we'll be putting unique value. So here we have this option, and we are starting building our information. So we are starting put our logic, right? So first of all, message. For message box, which you can see here, we'll be displaying message, so it will be like top, lowest, fair price, unique date, very important. Then we have like backspace, like enter, and then we have the new information. We're current row 2, because we're starting after the header. And what we're doing here, so first of all we have the working with errors. So if there's any error, we would like to go here, so just handling with these errors, so we don't want to see any problem with this macro. And then we are comparing to do loop, so we'll be checking how many all the lines till that we have the last one. What we're doing here, we'll be counting unique dates that should be less than 5, and then we're going till the end. So current date, it will be value for it, and unique at, if there is a real, then unique value and the lowest price. Here we have very simple if statement that will be checking how big value is, if this is okay for us or no. And if there is really low, then we are adding it here to the current row plus 1. So this loop is it's kind of big, but it's showing us what we are doing. So checking all the lines. If this is unique, the lowest price is unique, we'll be adding those to our information, to this current row. If this is unique, right? And the output from the whole macro is a message box with message with date, with top lowest unique price and the price, right? So that's basically it. Okay, thank you for watching.